Hello my friends. In this short video, I'll be showing my recent experience with updating from Windows 10 to Windows 11, from the warning messages of incompatible to the final success. In this short video, I will show you all the fun steps, from troubleshooting to the final upgrade to Windows 11. First step, we just got to make sure your machine is compatible with Windows 11. Navigate to your search bar and type in the word update. Once you do that, you'll see on the very top it'll ask you to check for updates. Oh man, we're not starting off very good. This PC does not currently meet minimum requirements. Oh man. Now I'm going to open up PC Health Check. Nope, same results. So we got some work to do. Let's get busy. First thing we need to do is in your BIOS, we need to activate the Trusted Platform module. In my system, I have an Asus motherboard. To get there, I go to Advanced mode, just look right here on the Advanced, search around for Advanced PCH, and change this to firmware. Hit OK. You're good to go from here. Your board may be different. Look up your manufacturer to find out how do you enable TPM on yours. Now that we have TPM activated, let's go with a PC Health Check tool and the Windows Update, see if anything's changed. First thing I'm going to do is type in PC and look for PC Health Check. Once you select there, hit Check Now. Fingers crossed that we get it this time. There we go. This PC meets Windows 11 requirements. Great news. Windows 11 is free and ready to roll. Okay, fantastic. Now let's go to the update side. Navigate, search for Update down in your search bar. Hit Check for Updates. Let's see. Oh, still there. The PC does not currently meet the minimum requirements. This is what I went through one day. So let's start doing some troubleshooting. The first troubleshooting will be the Troubleshoot Wizard. To get there, just right-click on your Windows icon on the bottom left, hit Settings, then select Update and Security, then select Troubleshoot. On the very bottom, you'll see Advanced Troubleshooting. In here, look for the Windows Update. Click on that and click on Run Troubleshooter. This will bring up a window for Windows Update detecting any problems. Let it run. I've sped this up so it's a little bit faster. Okay, there we are. The troubleshooter made some changes. It did its own little magic in the background. Certainly it works now. Let's go ahead and close that troubleshooter and we're going to go back to Windows Update and see if it's fixed. Oh, still there, top right. PC does not meet minimum requirements. Alright, now it's time to do another troubleshooting by using the Task Scheduler. So, navigate in your search, type in Tasks, look for Task Scheduler. On the top left, select Task Scheduler Library, then Microsoft, then Windows. From there, look for Application Experience. I'm going to make this a little larger, I can see it. I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to tell it to run. Let's just go ahead and let this thing run in the background. The last part is we're going to restart some services. To do that, navigate to your search bar, type in Services. From there, select Services on the very top. We're going to scroll down and we're going to look for right here. It's called Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Make sure it's started, right click and tell it to restart. This will restart the Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Now we're going to scroll down to Windows Update, right click on it and tell it to restart. Okay, after both of those services have restarted, it's time to move on to the next. Let's go ahead and check the updates and the PC Health Check. Got my fingers crossed. First thing I'm going to go to is I'm going to navigate to PC Health Check because that one gave us a green light earlier. So let's go ahead and go there first. Go over there, hit Check Now. See all results? Looks like we're still green. That's great news. Next, we're going to go to Updates. Let's go to Updates, check for updates. Once you go there, and yes, we are good to go that this PC can run Windows 11. Finally, we get to upgrade to Windows 11. Great news. All right, here we go. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to navigate down the start bar, hit Updates, hit Check for Updates. The magic of video editing, I'm going to click Download and Install and speed this up. And there we go. We're updating Windows right now to Windows 11. Let this run through all of its processes, and the next thing I know, you'll be at the splash screen. And that's it. Hey guys, this is a brand new channel. If you could like and subscribe, that'd be great. Have a good one.